What I wish I knew at 60 instead of 70. Stay tuned for some game-changing tips. Welcome to your one-stop shop for everything senior-related. Whether it's navigating Medicare, finding the best supplements, or even jumping back into the dating scene, we've got you covered. Our platform is all about making your life easier and better. Why spend hours sifting through confusing information when you can get personalized guidance right here? And hey, did we mention the free online therapy? Yes, you heard that right. By subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos, you'll get access to the latest and greatest information tailored just for you. Join our vibrant community and stay connected, informed, and thriving. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and share this with your friends. Let's make the most of these golden years together. Remember, the best is yet to come. Please visit Avidasana.com for all your health supplements. Go to InsuredMeds.com for Medicare information. Visit JoanBars.com for all the healthy weight loss tips. Visit SaturdayMorningDiet.com for healthy diet plan. Visit LovingPerson.com to find a real person. All the links are in description box.